Yeah, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my judges. Yeah, one thing that I like about this whole event is the packaging and the style of everything, especially the microphone. It's loud. You can hear me from there, right? Yeah, it's loud. Even if I think something now, I feel hear them. Because the mic today clear. No, now, Brother Ali, you know now how events they be now. At least you get plenty experience, past all of us today here. Where you go events, DJ go line up plenty speaker. Like say, you know what they do. I got MC traditional marriage for Imo State. Somewhere they call in Jabba. First of all, the DJ carry big red towel. Say name na DJ Snoop Dogg dog. Line up 16 speaker and the DJ line up for small wedding. At the end, na 2 speaker they work. Now that one no pay me. Now when I begin make announcement, I they call women to come carry their food. And they sound like ghosts. The microphone get long cord though, with one big foam on top. Different method of them and you dare not remove it. And they call women to come carry their food. Which they hear myself they talk. People, off. He come from my back, say, my brother, hold the mic like this, no cross here. I hold him, the thing continue. Off, rumor, koro, women, association. That's why they beg me, no cross here. You be native doctor. Do your mic well. Now I want to talk about our churches and the way we give our offering. If you go church like House on the Rock, DCC, classic church, you go give better offering. Matured men, some of us with the dress wear go church. Waiting down our mind to put for offering now 15 naira, you go come fold your hand, you no go fit clap well. Now imagine you there for queue to go give offering. You hold 15 naira, you hold your hand like this. One woman there your front with a small baby. A small baby hold 2,000 naira, they flash you for face. You see and say you need to improve. Because normally for the church, you don't already receive AC like 2,000. And you won't give 15 naira. That means they owe the church 1,950. And I like our Nigerian polymer note. Because once you carry that kind of money, reach altar, as you drop them, it go spread. Everybody go know say now you drop them. And now, before I leave, our Nigerian music industry, song don't plenty. Olamide Mona help me ask am waiting that boy they smoke. Olamide call the whole world. They point somewhere, they tell us, see Mary, see Jesus, see Mary. Till now, even Zacchaeus will not see. The way music don't take the rampant for this country, very soon, then go to advertise gospel events with secular song go. Just to get audience, you go to drive for your car, you go to hear holy money, holy fire, holy money. Once they get your attention, you go hear the Ministry of Boys Crusade, Presence, 3 days of power packed, miracle signs and wonders. Venue, TBS Oniko, time 5 p.m. Come and be delivered of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. Alpha will continue. Olodumare, bless you with money. Thank you.
M.O.P, man of pride. You be a comedian, so you don't get with your own Sunday talk because you are good, you know. You know how to tell stories, and comedy is about story and preaching the reality. Even if you try to, when you sit down and you can just sit down and crystallize it. But when you are cracking that joke of that music and advert, on my own, the thing don't they play for my mind. Make me know, say, you are good, you know what you are doing, you're a comedian.
You have shown us that you know what you are doing. You ooze so much freshness and you portray so much hope as far as comedy is concerned. One of the beauties that you have is originality. You appear like you're not even in for the competition, like say, you just can't catch from, make camera catch you, made them know say, Baba, I don't do this thing before. But it's a competition. You have done so very well like you have always done. Thank you, M.O.P.
Well done. Great storytelling tactics. A lot of the audience could relate with it. Your style is to carry them along and drop the punchline when they don't expect it. So real good work. And your passion is good. Well done. Great job. Well done.